Hello and welcome to my YouTube. Today we're going to make pizza from scratch. You need to make your dough for the pizza base first. So for that we've got flour, you need yeast, you'll need some lukewarm water to go with this, and I like to mix in table salt, some garlic and some pepper with dough. Then you have to move on to your toppings: mushrooms, peppers, onions, and I like to pre-roast them in the oven with some curry powder just for flavour. If you want to put a meat on, I like ham on serrano.
And cheese.
And then finally, you need to do your sauce. And I like to use tomato puree as the base, and I do mix in some tomato ketchup, and then you can use some olive oil to just kind of stop it from soaking into your pizza base, balsamic vinegar for sharpness, Tabasco for a bit of heat, and I like to cut in some basil. Let's get started.
Preparation is key with this dish, especially when using an active ingredient like yeast, and also when making the ingredients less is more. Best of luck and enjoy.